Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go into this here. I'm going to be doing a review of basically two products. Actually, it's a review of one, a brand new tool that I actually bought day as of yesterday, and it is a tool that I've been meaning to get as an alternative to my regular drill drivers that I do have from Ryobi. It's not meant to replace my regular drill driver, but it's meant to be used as for the assembling stages for my projects. There's that one, and also another one that I do have, which is a screwdriver, electric screwdriver running on full volts. So I'm going to introduce you to the new drill that I did buy, and we're going to go through some of the good things about each of them and when you should actually use these for your projects. It's not meant to replace anything that you're doing, like where you do require a true drill driver at 18 volts or your impact driver. So let's go take a look downstairs. I'll unbox the first one and I'll introduce you to both of them. These two tools are for light duty purposes, meaning for assembly, like IKEA modules or things that you can buy at IKEA, or projects that you need something not so powerful to actually assemble them together. So let's go take a look. Okay, ladies and gents, here is a new little tool that I decided to get myself from Ryobi. It is a 8-volt lithium-ion drill, compact, lightweight design. Here's the model number, which is a HP108L for light duty. I decided to get this for the simple fact is I do have my regular drill drivers and impact drivers that I usually will use for constructing other projects with, like if I have to drill deeply into holes and all that, or to use my impact drivers to drive in screws. I wanted to get this here for a simple fact is if I'm going to be doing any sub-assemblies or assembling things together, like from IKEA or any other projects that don't require a lot of power but requires to do a lot of drilling or driving of tools. We're going to take a quick look at it, what actually comes with the tool, which I do have here. First of all, the trusty old manual, which I like reading every time I get a new thing there. Interesting thing that these are. I love to read these things first off to know what they are or how to operate them. Here, let's yank it all out. I did open it up just to make sure. Hold on. I'll just stop this here. And here we go. Had to put down the camera for a few moments to get this here out. Comes already with a bit with a flathead and a Robinson bit, which is more likely standard. These here I usually keep on the side for driving screws in, but these things are not that great to begin with from Ryobi, but they'll do in a pinch if you need a flathead or not a Robinson, but a Phillips screw head. Comes with a small little charger, which is good enough for 8 volts. A lithium ion 1.3 amp hours, and the actual drill itself, I can pull it out. Here we go. Yeah, and there we go. We got an LED thing there showing the actual charge of it. and it has the usual forward and reverse on it. Put it in the middle so that way it doesn't pull. I am definitely going to get this here charged up first. For the simple fact is it's not fully charged, and it looks like it's good quality. And I do have the serial number on there, which I'm going to register this and put it up on Ryobi site. I did read the instructions here carefully enough, and I am definitely going to charge this here up before first use, just for the fact is that it's not on the full charge. And this here goes up to from 0 to 580 RPMs for the drill itself. It accepts the 3/8 bits for this, and also the regular bits that you can use for driving in screws. I'll show you the bits that I do have. I have 2 sets of bits. One from JobMate, which is a cheap, crappy drill bits that you can pick up at local Canadian Tire that we have up here in Canada. And another set of bits that I have from DeWalt for driving in screws, and some drill bits from Craftsman, which is also another set of bits, another set of drill bits to do drilling of holes. So let me just get those out to show you. And here are the drill bits from Craftsman. I bought these here when they were actually on special as well, a long time ago. I'll be using these ones here because they're coated with titanium, so they're a lot better than the usual standard drills. You can drill through metal, like in regular metal, steel, plastic, and also wood, up to a 1/2 inch. But they have the 3/8 size bits on here, so you can use this in there, as well as some common ones. This is actually JobMate, which is actually a Canadian product. JobMate, and these are cheap bits there, so I wouldn't worry so much about these here breaking. Again, it comes with paddle bits, some regular drill bits, one to put to create larger holes, and standard bits as well, containing titanium and concrete, and some more. Now this here, like I said, for drill bit wise, I'm expecting this here to work like a regular, well, not regular, but for light duty work, for assembly work. This is the reason why I got something like this along with its sister, which is a screwdriver, just for the assembly purposes. I'm not just for assembly wise for projects that I'm going to work on. This is just for light duty. The other drilling, like drill driving with my regular drill driver and impact drivers, will be for the actual construction, like for outside. These here are just for putting together stuff that I have like to put together. I don't need a heavy duty drill driver or impact driver, and I can still use this, of course, with my DeWalt drivers that I have here, which is a nice little set here to have. And I also have a larger set, if I can get that here out. Oh, before I forget, I also have these specialty screws, which are longer. These are the longer ones, and these are the shorter ones with 2 type of extensions on them, which I also will probably more likely use. And last but not least, a full-fledged set of DeWalt drivers, which I can turn around properly if I can. There we go. And these here are impact rated ones as well, so definitely use these ones here when I need to use the impact driver or my regular drill here. But in this case here, for mainly for drilling purposes, which I will definitely use more likely my Craftsman for regular drilling. This here, from what I've heard from some other of my Ryobi people that I spoke with, other people who use them on a daily basis, these are great for quick assembly stuff like that. And since it was only like about $59.97 Canadian, I figure why not? Might as well splurge and have this ready to go when I need it. Basically, that's about it. I hope you like it. See you next time.